But a truth we always hear. We are meaningful hearts, beating through the dark. Every scar, every part shows us who we are. Not just love for a night, but a fire that won't die. In your arms I can see what love's meant to be. If the sky falls down tonight and we're left without the light, I will hold you even tighter. We'll become our own igniter. When the world turns cold and gray, we won't let it fade away. Every heartbeat tells the truth. I found mine forever in you. No more hiding, no disguise. I see love within your eyes. We are meaningful hearts, shining through the dark. Every dream, every spark leaves a glowing mark. Not just love that we pretend, but a bond that will not end. Through it all we will be, everything love should be. Through the silence, through the noise, I will always hear your voice. Not just chance, not just art. We are meaningful hearts. This is true, meaning love. We were lost in different ways, walking through our separate days. Never thought our worlds would meet, till your heart found mine to keep. In the silence, in the night, you became my guiding light. Not a spark that fades away, but a flame that chose to stay. No more hiding who we are. We've been seen through every scar. This is true, meaning love, written in the stars above. Not just words we're dreaming of, but a truth we're made of. Through the highs and the lows, through the pain that only grows, still we rise, still we trust. In this true meaning love, we've been tested by the storm. Hearts were fragile, souls were warm, but your hand held on to mine, like a promise drawn in time. Every tear became a sign that your destiny is mine. Through the doubt, through the fear, we kept holding something real. Not a story made to break, but a vow we choose to make. This is true, meaning love, written in the stars above. Not just words we're dreaming of, but a truth we're made of. Through the highs and the lows, through the pain that I'll still choose you every day. Not because it's always right, but you're worth the fight. When the shadows try to stay, we won't let them lead the way. Every heartbeat, every breath, stronger than the fear of death. No illusions left to hide. You're the truth I hold inside. This is true meaning love, more than just enough. Every tear, every touch shows it's real, it's us. Through the fire, through the rain, through the joy, through the pain, we remain, we don't run. In this love we are one. Not a moment we can fake, not a bond that we can break. In your eyes I see it all, the true meaning